Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Have you still doing your job?
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you!
Section 2!
You paid it!
Section
You'll be
2!
homeless next!
Money fucking rules, does it?
Shame on you!
It's a sanctuary!
It's the sanctuary for homeless!
You have home.
Holy ground, this is sanctuary. This is holy ground.
You have home.
Holy ground. Holy ground. We've got blood. Six is every right. Where's your court papers? Where's your paperwork?
That's it!
Where's your court papers?
Section 2!
Where's your note? Come on.
No way! Have they been signed today? That's a photocopy, no good!
Originals! Original paperwork!
Rubbish, faulty, get the original! I could do that with a Photoshop. Get the original!
Get up here! Oi! Get up here!
So therefore we stand and this is our land! That's not the paperwork. It is not original. It is not original. Today. This is against the law. Shame on you! Find my arm, Rick. I like your new blue hair, mate. Green boy. Yeah, come on, green boy. You can look here, green boy. Be on camera now. And be on camera.
When all your people are displaced, we help you, and you displace us. You're taking us to go to the valley and help your own people. Fucking bastards.
From this country.
No, but we gave sanctuary and you denied it to us.
Well done, bravo, boys.
Well
Bravo.
done.
Bravo.
I think you need to get better jobs.
Reckon the home's the home. All on camera, brother. All good
Good
video.
job, lads. Good job. Make you feel proud of yourselves today. Good job,
We
lads.
displaced 30 homeless people. Well done. Well done. Shame on you.
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you!
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you!
Just watch yourself, brother. Watch yourself.
So we got it all on camera. They're fucked, mate.
How convenient, aren't you, on video? What a twat.
Please don't touch me!
Did you all? Go to the Manchester Hotel.
Yeah, you taxed us. Where are your accounts?
Yeah, where are your hotels? How much did you earn last year, you cheating fucker?
You have fraudulent papers.
You have fraudulent papers. You have fraudulent papers. Scheming fuckers. We'll come and stay in your hotel. You need the money, don't you? Can't you speak English, mate? This is England.
Came for me and English. Down for me. Yeah.
Fucking jokers. Absolute filth.
Selling themselves out for money.
Who you bailiffs actually working for? Do you know who you're doing this for? You wait till it all comes out who you're doing it for. You're going to be sick of yourselves then. Once you find out who you've just done this for, you'll regret it. You will regret this day for as long as you live. Once you find out who you've done it for. You as an enforcer, once you find out who you've just done this for, you're going to regret it.
That's fucking surprising.
Get your face, because you will regret this day 100%.
20th of December.
But where's the warrant that's signed today?
The warrant, sir?
Let's have a look then.
Yeah, I can't let it out of my possession.
Okay, well open it up. So it's signed by a county court
No,
judge.
it is sealed. The order is signed.
It's not signed.
The order is signed. It's sealed. By the judge. The order is made.
Don't do that, man. Don't do that, man. Don't do that.
Keep it calm, man.
Just calm down. Don't do that. Let them do what
They're doing it themselves. Hope you have a nice day. Hope you have a nice day, fella.
تعال محمد.
fraudulent document. Go away.
Guys, you need to have your
Document.
They're not fraudulent, sir.
The bailiff's in charge.
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Don't fucking touch you! Shame on 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 you!
Don't worry, Shame on you. If you find out who you've just done this for, you'll regret this day. Your face is on camera. You'll see. Yeah, you'll find out. You'll find out who you've just done it for. Why do you think the police are not even active? They know already. They already know.
Can you get me here, please?
Isn't that telling you enough, the way the police are reacting?
Step back, lads. I'm sorry for no growling.
You want to walk off site, mate?
This is a sanctuary, yeah? This is
You
a
want to walk off
sanctuary.
site? Refuse to do it. That's the best thing you could do.
Show me the paper. Come on, lads, back off. Show me the
You want to walk off site and refuse to do it. That's the best thing you could do. You show everybody, this whole country, you've got compassion for a situation that's out of control.
That's not even a warrant. Back off, yeah?
The police are not here.
I want to report a
We're
crime.
with
These
us.
lads are operating on spurious, fake, ultra-violence, yeah? We'll back off, you stay there, yeah?
No, you.
You fucking tell me what to do.
Relax, relax.
We'll also be making a complaint that what you've done was extremely dangerous.
I want to see the documents, officer, yeah? Can I see your collar number, please?
Where do we take all these people?
1689, yeah?
1689.
You got no warrants, lads. You and your mate.
Don't worry, the police
Go
know
away.
full well of people behind this that have bought this land
Whoa, where are you going?
and where their money's from. Don't worry, you'll find out. Don't worry, you guys are going to get exposed. Don't
We
worry.
know where you live.
Don't worry.
Not on the tech. Not on the tech.
Yeah, go on. Have you nicked? Go on, assault him. Have you nicked? You'll see. You put your hands on anyone, you will. Yeah, you put your hands on anyone, you'll see.
Your hands on me for no reason.
Yeah, you try it again. You try it.
I removed you from the
No, you try it again in front of the police. You'll be nicked. They're not our bloody enemy. Don't worry. When it all comes out where this money's come from to buy this land, you'll regret this day.
Oh, I'm sure I will, yeah.
Yeah, you will. Go on, you hit anybody else again, you'll be nicked, mate. Because they're here to serve us as well.
Hit anybody?
Yeah.
Stop facing off!
Okay,
There's a GoPro! Stay there! Stay the fuck away, you fucking arrogant little...
Silly girl.
Silly man. Robot. You're a robot.
Where's the paperwork? Where's the paperwork?
You're a robot. You're a robot, mate. Because nothing else can do with your life better. You right, gal? Take it easy, man.
Look, my hands are behind my back and I'm saying you've got a cheap tear.
Child scarer, that's what you are. Child scarer, scum. Child scarer.
Have a nice day.
There you go, pushing children around. Man, look, you've got a great job you have, haven't you? Pushing children around. Hey, bully boys, you're ashamed of yourselves. You want to be ashamed of yourselves. Be ashamed of yourself, you bully boy.
Scum, honestly. You got paid for this, you proud of yourself. How do you sleep at night? How do you sleep at night?
I don't look very well cared for.
Oh, really?
Be ashamed of yourself, bully boy. Bully boy, pushing a woman and children around.
Who do you work for?
Bully boy.
Who do you work for?
Bully boy.
Are you?
Does everybody feel good about that? Do you really feel good about that, do you? Hey, does that make you feel good? What you've just done, yeah?
No,
Does that
he's
make you
not the
feel
one
good?
to talk to.
Doesn't matter, you're still part of
I'll
it.
watch him.
Don't you worry, it hasn't even registered in your head yet why the police are so inactive. They're not engaging, they know where the money's come for this land. You're mad, you're off your heads. You can't even connect the dots, can you, you nutters? Can't even connect the dots, you nutters.
When do we get help?
There is
What's wrong with us? You haven't been on a list for about 5 months.
Breaking our stuff. I don't know yet, he hasn't come, has he? And the boss is the inspector on duty. Everything these guys is not their fault.
It's not your fault, and we're not against you. We're with you. We're 100% with you.
I'm busy.
Personal belongings. Personal belongings. Personal belongings.
This is our property. We are ready to do it. Can I have a policeman there?
You're going to chuck our stuff away, are you?
This is what people of Bournemouth donated to the homeless. This is what people donated to the homeless.
Take it. Put your hands on it. Or be thrown away. We've now taken possession. We've taken possession. We will. We'll be fucked off. We're going to take possession.
You take it, now the bailiff will.
Come round the other gate, you pass over them. By the hotel to the right. Guys, don't stop. You take it now.
We have taken possession. We have taken possession. We have taken possession. We have taken possession. Brother, I hear you. We have taken possession.
I hear you.
Take it where?
Take it because you don't want to.
Where would you like to take it?
I'm just trying to say people want their stuff on the
They can move out into the street, but then what are you guys doing? They don't have anywhere.
Where would you suggest? Deputy Judge, what was his name? Roman. District Judge Roman. Signed you off and spewed
You had a good Christmas, mate.
You
had a good Christmas. You had a good Christmas.
Hey, it's not him you want to start.
Don't let them intimidate you, don't let them force you to nothing. Keep it peaceful.
I mean, suffering on the streets of Bournemouth here, mate. I was born in this town, mate. Yeah, my mum came to Bournemouth, mate. A process, a peaceful process. A peaceful process. It's a peaceful process. Peaceful process.
Just want to witness this. We've told the officers over here that they are dismantling their place where someone comes up the roof and they don't give a shit.
Stay there, son. I got three behind you, yeah? Oh, look how strong you are. You're so angry. You need some counselling, boys. Anger management. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nasty boy.
Look at this officer.
Legal observers, please be careful because the bailiffs are not caring. Please prepare for yourselves.
Can you give us an update?
Please watch yourselves with nails and wood because they're not giving a toss. These are this is a sanctuary, by the way.
This one, it's got a mark, and he's walking around with the camera. Now, I would have to invite you.
That's what?
I said I would have to invite you back to me.
Very nice. Thank you.
As to everything. And this would get.
Is there somewhere safe for the ground upstairs?
Hey, this is religious. Do not religious. Religious. This is religious. We respect your choir. This is religious.
I mean, they've done themselves no good. I mean, they're going to get, you know, they're going to get nothing but fucking bad stuff. So try and organise it. If we can find out for sure who's the company is, we can organise a comms block and start giving them fucking shit. You're illegal.
BC's bully boys are going home.
You've broken the law lots of times today. Your silly man has got you in trouble. You go round here.
Nothing left, okay? We're not going to get involved. If they're trying to blame me, no arrests will be made, okay? All we're trying to hear is if we have to get involved and use our military powers, we will. We don't want to. They haven't thrown anyone around. Alright? Digested, if you feel you've been subject to anything, that's not going to get resolved right here, right now. Okay? And that's fine. What you do off-site in terms of reviewing your footage, that's absolutely fine. But right now, I've just got to be here to prevent a breach of the peace. And me arguing all day, trying to be reasonable people, isn't really getting anywhere forward, is it? We just need to ask each other. Basically, they can ask you guys to leave. If you don't, they've got the power to use reasonable force to
Yeah, but they're not. You're not pulling. Who's pulling that down? They're not legally entitled to do that, man, are they? Yeah, you are. Yeah, but all these people are coming here just following us apart. Is that legal?
Hold on, just 1 second, right? What needs to happen now, really sensibly, right, is we stop everything. You guys pack up, get your personal belongings together, and leave. Quietly, amicably. Listen, that's unfortunately, and I say unfortunately, that isn't my responsibility. My responsibility here today is to clear the site. That's what we're here to do. Legally,
But you're not doing it. They're doing it. That's not right.
Hold on. Let me finish speaking.
That's not right, though, man.
Let me finish speaking for a moment, then. All right. So we've got the court papers. The police are here, but we can stop. You can carry your things together. The personal belongings there as well, and leave. That's what we're trying to achieve. Hold on. Sorry.
But why are people pulling things apart?
The rest of right, okay, I accept all of that, and how it proceeds legally after this, whether right, wrong, or indifferent, is entirely down to you guys. You know, you're more than welcome to prosecute and do anything you want. At the moment, what we need to do is we need to give you adequate time to get your belongings together and find somewhere else to leave.
But why are the landowners pulling it apart? Hang on, I've listened to you, but why are the landowners pulling it apart?
I don't know. I can't
Well, you're
but
empowered to stop them. You're meant to be here to do a job.
Stop
How are other people doing it? Why are other people, unlicensed people, doing your job?
Wording edgeways. No, it's fine. It's fine. Just
No.
You're right.
Yeah, we wanted to see what kind of a family I get all that. But why are people just coming onto site and pulling this apart?
It actually says the eviction will take place at 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock it says all persons must leave with all of their belongings. After 11 o'clock it becomes the property of the landlord. The landlord can do what they want. Now they'll stand back. They'll stand back.
Well, they haven't stood back, have they? They started it from the word go and they're continuing.
We came after 11 o'clock, sir. We were asked to leave. And all we got was a bit of paper and a refusal to leave. As this gentleman said, we will
But
stand...
that doesn't really... Why are they coming in and doing that?
Because they are...
They're entitled to do it. They're totally entitled, legally entitled to do it.
That was your job.
No. After Mr. New person.
So let's go back to where we are.
So now we've identified there is a lot of stuff there. If you want to, because the landowners now legally back on their land, okay, it is their property to do what they want with. However, we have called a halt to it to say any property that is there, take hold of it and get it gone, okay?
So you're happy with that?
Yeah.
I'll go and see it. Right, yeah, exactly right. So we're going with the landowners now. So if you guys can start, just get Sorry, right, I've just had a chat with them. The situation is, obviously they've got some personal belongings, they are entitled to remove them or what have you. We just want to halt the removal and the taken part of anything. We'll stay outside. You stay outside, okay. We'll deal with this, and then, okay, fine. So you can just tell them to stop for a moment. Okay?
Right, sorry. Coffee is on the street, people. Yo! Yeah.
One of the owners of the land.
One of the owners.
One of the homeless. You're sorry.
Yeah.
Are you truly sorry?
Yeah.
What would be the best thing to do now?
If I'm council, if I'm government, I will do everything. I will do the best.
But you own the land, don't you?
But no, it's not my job. I'm like you.
But you own the land. You could say to them, give them 2 weeks to get over the Christmas and get something in place.
Chance. We came here, we pushed me out.
Yeah, but you know, you own the land.
If you talk this with me, it's okay. But you push me out. It's not good.
You didn't really negotiate. You could have easily come back and negotiated something.
Just put your say in my hand. If someone take your bicycle, you will be angry. It's my land.
But we haven't taken your bicycle. It's your land. It's your land. You could have chose many different routes to go down.
For this land, more than 100 people, believe me, is all this lose son, lose everybody and came here. This is only what we have. And this, we feel like
2 months, you're not going to be building for 2 months. Why can't they just stay there?
but we need to prepare to move the rubble. We need to
It's been like this for a long time. This land's been empty for a long time.
We can't do anything.
Sad.
It's really funny, isn't it? I'm glad. I really hope you're happy with yourself. You know?
But what are you recording, mate?
We can do it. Public place, we can record wherever we want, man. We know everything about you. We know everything.
What's going on?
So there you go. Got a standoff. I'm going off live feed for a bit.